Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on every content creator's mind: how to make your YouTube channel absolutely explode in 2025. I'm thrilled to have with me an expert who's helped countless creators scale their channels to millions of subscribers.
Thanks for having me on. I'm excited to share some game-changing strategies that actually work in 2025, not the outdated advice people keep recycling from 2020.
Let's jump right in. What's the biggest shift you're seeing in YouTube's algorithm for 2025?
The biggest change is how YouTube's AI now prioritizes viewer retention patterns over traditional metrics like click-through rates. It's not just about getting people to click anymore. It's about creating content that keeps them watching your entire catalog.
That's fascinating. How should creators adapt their content strategy to match this change?
Focus on creating connected content. Think of your videos like episodes of a TV show. Each video should naturally lead to another. The key is to plan your content in clusters, not just individual videos.
Could you give our listeners a specific example of how this works?
Sure. Let's say you're in the cooking niche. Instead of random recipes, create themed weeks. Start with a video about pasta basics, then follow up with sauce making, then advanced techniques. The AI recognizes these patterns and promotes your content as a comprehensive package.
What about short-form content? There's been so much buzz about shorts competing with TikTok and Reels.
Shorts are absolutely crucial in 2025, but here's what most people get wrong. They're not just mini versions of your long-form content. They need to be native to the format. The most successful creators are using shorts as teasers that drive curiosity to their main channel.
Speaking of main channels, what's the ideal posting frequency in 2025?
This might surprise people, but it's not about posting every day anymore. The sweet spot we're seeing is 2 to 3 high-quality long-form videos per week, supported by 4 to 5 strategic shorts. Quality and strategic timing matter more than ever.
Let's talk about thumbnails and titles. Has anything changed there?
Absolutely. The era of shocked faces and excessive arrows is dead. YouTube's AI now favors authentic previews that actually represent the content. We're seeing better performance with cinematic thumbnails that tell a story rather than clickbait.
That's quite a shift. What about collaboration strategies? Are they still effective?
Collaborations are more powerful than ever, but they've evolved. The most successful collabs in 2025 are long-term partnerships rather than one-off videos. Think month-long series with other creators rather than single videos.
Before we wrap up, what's your #1 piece of advice for someone starting a YouTube channel in 2025?
Pick a niche you can own and become the go-to expert in that space. The days of being a generalist are over. YouTube's algorithm in 2025 heavily rewards topic authority. Build a content ecosystem around your expertise, and success will follow.
This has been incredibly insightful. Thank you so much for sharing these strategies with our audience.
Thanks for having me. Remember, everyone, consistency and authenticity are still king, but how we deliver them has evolved dramatically.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on growing your online presence. See you in the next one.